This is Sephora's #1 selling niacinamide serum. Thousands of 5-star reviews, it sells out constantly, and if you've spent any time on skincare TikTok, you've definitely seen it. But if you bought this specifically because you're trying to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation, as your chemist bestie, I'm gonna hold your hand when I tell you this. I need to show you something on the ingredient label because there's a very real chance this product isn't doing what you think it's doing for your specific skin concern. And frankly, it's not Glow Recipe's fault. It's simply a concentration conversation. The first few ingredients on the ingredient list here are water, propanediol, glycerin, and then niacinamide. The 5th position on the ingredient label. Here's what this tells me as a cosmetic chemist. Ingredients are listed in descending order of concentration. The first 4 ingredients before niacinamide are solvents and humectants. They typically make up the bulk of any water-based formula. By the time we get to niacinamide at position 5, we're looking at an estimated concentration somewhere between 2 and 3%. And I want to be transparent here, Glow Recipe doesn't disclose the exact percentage. That estimate is really just based off of where it is on the label, but based on that position from my formulation experience, 2 to 3% is what the data suggests. Niacinamide is what I call a threshold ingredient. It's not a more is better ingredient. This is one of those ingredients that is actually better at a lower concentration. So it's not about whether it's hitting the concentration that actually addresses your specific skin concern. At 2 to 3% niacinamide, and research backs this up, you're getting real benefits. Barrier supports, reduce inflammation and redness, some mild brightening. This is a genuinely effective concentration for maintaining healthy skin and calming sensitivity. But listen, if your goal is specifically fading hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or post-acne marks, the research consistently shows that 4 to 5% is where you start to see more meaningful correction. That's the concentration that shows up the most in studies targeting tone, discoloration, and texture. Below that threshold, you're getting maintenance, you're not getting treatment. So if you have hyperpigmentation and you bought the dewdrops because the name has niacinamide in it, niacinamide does fade dark spots. I understand exactly why you did that. The marketing is beautiful, the product is everywhere, and niacinamide for dark spots is completely legitimate skincare claim. But at 2 to 3%, this product is not optimized for that goal. And that is the part that nobody talks about when I watch a lot of these review videos. So baby girl, if you've been using these consistently, doing everything right, and your dark spots aren't really moving, you're not doing anything wrong. You just might be using a product that was never really formulated to treat that skin concern at the level that your skin needs. I really want to be clear about something because I'm not here to bash this product. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops is genuinely a beautiful product. It's just not for every skin concern. What it is excellent for, and the formula genuinely supports this, is instant glow and hydration. The watermelon extract, the sodium hyaluronate, the moringa oil, these are great hydrating and brightening ingredients. The niacinamide at 2 to 3% is actively supporting your skin barrier and calming any mild redness. It layers beautifully, and the glow that it gives you is real. If your skin concern is dullness, dehydration, or you want a glow product that gives you some skin health benefits, this is genuinely an excellent product for that. It's Sephora's best-selling niacinamide serum for a reason. It just happens to be the most useful as a glow and hydration product, not as a dark spot treatment. One more thing, and this is specifically for someone with reactive or sensitive skin, this product does contain fragrance. It's a very small amount, and Glow Recipe says it's less than 0.5% from natural plant extracts, but honey, fragrance is fragrance. And if your skin is sensitive or you're dealing with active inflammation, I want you to know that before you go ahead and buy. Now here's a key takeaway here. Glow Recipe is a genuinely well-made, beautiful product for the right person, okay? Key, for the right person. I personally have used it consistently in my routine, and if you want that glow and hydration and gentle barrier support, honey, it delivers. But if you're specifically trying to treat hyperpigmentation and dark spots, the niacinamide concentration isn't optimized for that goal, and you need to know that before you spend the $35. In an upcoming video, I'll be comparing this against the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Serum, because if treating dark spots are your concern, that's the Glow Recipe product actually formulated to address it. If you want a full deep dive where I spill more tea on niacinamide, come hang out with me in this video right here.